Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews January 2024, and as every year we are starting the episode with Amazon SEO, search engine optimization for the marketplace Amazon. And there's only one point, we have just checked it up for you. Please reduce your generic keyword length to less than 250 bytes. Sometimes, yes, it depends on a different category if the space is counted or not, or different things, but yes, less than 250 bytes means maximum of 249 bytes for your search terms in the backend. Then let's go to the content section, and here we have one interesting thing for the brand story. You need the brand story in all your products to get access to Amazon Premium A+, so make sure you use it, and you can now change a few things. So here you find a new note. If the fields above are left empty, the first card will automatically scroll into view on page load for mobile experience. That is really awesome. You see it here on the left side, the normal mobile view, and on the right side that is the new mobile view when you left that field's empty. So the first card will appear directly for the customer, and you see it with the little dots down here. That is a new makeup for the brand story, so the customer can understand that he or she or it or whatever has to swipe through your brand story. And please make sure integrate the banner for your shop links. Secondly, for the content section, I think from my point of view we are now completed. You can now A/B test also the brand story itself, and you can test all of them simultaneous. So that is also really cool. So go into your A/B testing, but don't mix up too many of them. Of course, results can be also mixed up by that. Then we have the part advertising, and hopefully everybody has read that information. It's absolutely big shown in the Amazon Ad Console. Update to sponsored brands product collection requirements, one of the most used sponsored brand formats, starting in January 31st this year. All new and edited product collection ads will need a custom image. Ads without a custom image won't deliver and won't receive impressions after May 31st this year. And understand the impact of that creative you can load up. On average, sponsored brands ads with branded creative such as custom image generate a 50% increase in CTR click-through rate and 60% increase in branded search than ads with only product images. So make sure to rework that. We are talking about product collections. Here you will find also the hind, and it's about the custom images. If you have watched the last episode, you will also find that little update that you can load up to 5 unique images to showcase your brand, and you can add multiple images, and so you will see a looping slideshow. So that's also cool to get the best out of your sponsored brands. Then a new update for sponsored brand videos. When you connect them to the store, you can now add up to 3 products, and it looks like that on the right. You will see the video and up to 3 different products connected to the ad, to the video, so the customer can click on one of them or directly into your shop, as we know it from the banner on the headline. So if you liked it so far, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and thumbs up for that video. With the subscription, you will be remembered if we are loading up new videos, so you will see all of our videos and don't miss any of them. On the other side, we have our AMALYZE extension for Amazon sellers and vendors to get insights about specific searches, specific search behavior, but also with different revenue shares for variations not counted by stars, just by sales. Really impactful insights with our browser extension. Then let's talk about marketing. Marketing has one big update. The brand tailored promotions now available in 7 new international stores. So when you're selling on European marketplaces, for example, or Mexico, Canada, you can now find the brand tailored promotions. That is really cool. Of course, with the program, you can offer promotional discounts of 10 to 50% without any fee. That is really cool. You can find a lot of them. Actually, in Europe, you have only 4, but more will come up, as you know it from the United States. Then let's go into the marketplace news. Only a few of them, but they are really impactful for your business. So on the one side, we have FBA inventory levels with new metrics. We leverage advanced machine learning models to analyze demand forecasts and replenishment settings and recommend the minimum number of units per product that you should have on hand in our fulfillment centers. And sellers who maintain units above the minimum inventory level see a 15% increase in sales over a 4-week period on average. That is really nice to understand, and you can go to FBA inventory and you will find your minimum inventory levels. On the other side, the minimum inventory level metric is an additional data point that helps you manage your FBA inventory and works alongside with other important tools and metrics like historical days of supply. Effective April 1st, the low inventory field will apply when both the long-term historical day of supply last 90 days and short-term historical days of supply last 30 days are below 28 days for weeks. To view your historical day of supply, go to FBA inventory all the time. The same also with IPI inventory performance index, the capacity limits and restock recommendations. You will find more insights build it up from Amazon for your business. So go into your data. Then for Europe, if you're selling in Europe, just make sure that everything gets a bit more complicated, caused by the general product safety regulations. A few steps of that 8 steps should be clear, but not everybody has them live. Ensure all products you sell in the EU, European Union, and Northern Ireland meet existing labeling and traceability requirements. Secondly, have an European Union responsible person for those products. Amazon has offered a service for that, but they have stopped it as far as I know. Third, label the products with the contact information of a responsible person. See step 2, the manufacturer, and, if applicable, the importer. Fourth, label products with a type, batch, or serial number. Make sure you understand the and or connection. So fourth step is or, third step is and. Fifth step, label products with safety information and warnings in the language of the country of sale if it is necessary. Sixth, and now it becomes interesting, of course, if we read down here, instructions how to complete requirements 6 to 8. Amazon will inform us. But the 6th step, display the responsible person information and the manufacturer's name and contact details for each product in online listings, which means on the PDP. We don't know where and when Amazon will fix that, but early 2024 they will update and give us instructions how to make sure that we are safe. 7th, display a product picture and any other information needed to identify the product in online listings. 8th, display warning and safety information in online listings in the language of the country of sale. I really don't know how they want to solve it. Yes, we can upload more than 6 or 7 product images, but we all know that the customer will not see all of them. So even if you fit the requirements that you're showing it, it doesn't mean that the customer will see them. And on the other side, should there be a specific image guide for the warnings? Maybe, maybe not. We don't know. Or even the PDF upload will be enough for it. We will see. As down here, to prepare for regulation to take effect, we recommend that you complete the first 5 requirements as soon as possible, and for steps 6, 7 and 8 Amazon will get in contact with us, hopefully. And another thing for Europe, we know that from the US, the FBA fee changes. I think 2 months ago in November or late October, Amazon has informed every US seller, and now also the rollout for Europe is coming with the new fees. So nothing new, but when you want to see any insights, go into the links, follow all the data, review the fee change pages below more information. These changes will take effect on February 5th this year. Expect where otherwise noted. Of course, we know that, and when you're selling US, you have gone through that process and now go through it also in the Europe marketplaces. That was the episode of the AMAnews for January 2024. We will see us in the next episode.